Hello. Today we will learn 100 daily sentences for traveling. Let's get started. Where is the check-in counter? Here is my passport. Here is my boarding pass. Where is gate 12? What time does boarding start? Is this the right gate? Where is baggage claim? My luggage is missing. Where is the exit? I have one suitcase. This is my carry-on bag. My flight is delayed. My flight is cancelled. When is the next flight? Thank you for your help. Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station? Where is the taxi stand? I need a taxi. Please take me to this address. How much is the fare? Please stop here. How long does it take? Is it far? Can you show me on the map? Which bus should I take? Which train should I take? Does this bus go downtown? Does this train stop here? I need a ticket. I have a reservation. I would like to check in. I would like to check out. What time is breakfast? Where is my room? Can I have the Wi-Fi password? The air conditioner is not working. I need a towel. Can I have another key? Is breakfast included? Can I have a wake-up call? Is there a laundry service? Can I leave my luggage here? I need an extra pillow. Thank you. A table for one, please. Can I see the menu? I would like this. I would like some water. Is this spicy? It is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Keep the change. Do you have vegetarian food? No ice, please. I am allergic to peanuts. Can I have a fork? Can I have a spoon? Enjoy your meal. How much is this? It is too expensive. Can you give me a discount? I'll take it. Do you accept credit cards? Can I try this on? Do you have a larger size? Do you have a smaller size? I am just looking. Can I get a receipt? Do you have any suggestions? Do you have another color? Can I exchange this? Can I return this? Where can I pay? Excuse me. Where is the restroom? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the supermarket? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. It is nearby. It is across the street. Can you take my picture? This place is beautiful. What is this place? When does it open? One ticket, please. Where is the entrance? I need help. Please call the police. Please call an ambulance. I need a doctor. I don't feel well. I lost my passport. I lost my wallet. I don't understand. Could you speak more slowly? Do you speak English? Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.